Hello and welcome to another update video about Cardano. Yeah, Cardano moving actually perfectly according to plan. We had on the chart here yesterday, that is what I showed you, a head and shoulders pattern here. Yeah, and I had a target for that head and shoulders, which was after breaking of the neckline here at around 42.8 cents roughly. Yeah, and we're nearly there. Yeah, we already dropped below 45 again. So again, that is working out here at the moment. And also the Elliott wave count, as highlighted yesterday, suggests that we are still on our way down. We had here primary scenario, and that is here the primary wave count as well, is suggesting that already here, after we hit here that wave 4 high on the 18th of May, we moved down impulsively in a wave 1. That worked out. We talked about the retracement to the upside. That worked out in an ABC pattern. In a wave 2, we then talked about now should the price reverse to a wave 3, and it is doing that. Yeah, it did that. Important is that as soon as the wave 3 is complete, which it might not yet be here, yeah, because we need to reach the 1.618 fib extension, but here's it where it's getting a bit difficult, so we take a look at that. So from an fib extension point of view, here we would need to reach in this wave down now 40.5 cents to finish off the wave 3, because the 1.618 fib extension is the longest wave, okay? Oh, it's not the longest wave, but we need to reach the 1.618 fib extension. If we don't reach it, we need to change the wave count normally. So yeah, either we reach that, or I have to remodel the waves, and I think I'm going to do that, yeah, and I'm going to talk to you about why. But then as soon as we reach, let's say we stick with this scenario, let's say we really reach the 40.5 cent level. If we do that, the wave 4 just should not move above here 49.2 cents anymore, because if it does that, it will invalidate this pattern, because the wave 4 in this scenario should not cut into the price 1 target area, yeah. But I don't at the moment see the risk of it doing. And after that, we should see the final wave 5 that could come into the region here between 35 cents and 22.5 cents. Yeah, it's not possible at the moment to specify that further. There are three key levels in here. One is the 35 cent level, the other one is the 29 cent level, and the other one is the 22 cent level. So these are pretty much the 3 levels where we have a chance to find support and complete that last wave down, which is wave 5 of a wave C. No, sorry. Yeah, it's a wave 5 of a wave 5 of a wave C of wave 2. Okay, so that is what we expect here short term. This is one wave count. There is another one which will move very similarly, but it's just a little bit different. I'm keeping this one on the chart until it gets invalidated. I think the other wave count is that we had actually an extended triangle, like you know it probably from the Bitcoin chart. If you've been watching my Bitcoin videos, it would mean that the wave 4, and I would have to change the triangle pattern that I've got on the chart here, but it would mean that the wave 4 actually ended at this peak here, that this here was then a wave E, yeah, that I have to move that wave E from there to here, that only from here the first wave down is starting. I think that's actually more likely. Maybe I will make it my primary expectation. It would mean that here we have a first move down. Unfortunately, unfortunately what that would mean is that, well, what would it mean? Let me just move that to the side and I show you in more detail what it would mean, because then you can prepare for it. It means that we've probably seen here the wave 1 already. We've probably seen the wave 2 already of that first wave down, yeah, after the wave E ended here. That we've probably already seen the wave 3 here, that we probably saw already the wave 4, and this might be the wave 5. So it would be probably like that, rather. Some way, let me just think about DE. Yeah, probably like that. Yeah. From here, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is a very likely scenario. Yeah, and that we're now about to end, maybe already ended wave 5. This would be a wave 1. After this wave 4, a wave 1, and now this would all need to be corrected again. So that would mean quite a more substantial move up again. Yeah, maybe into the region of 50 cents, maybe 53, something like that. Yeah, And I would make that actually my primary scenario if we break above 49.2 cents again. So all eyes need to be on that 49 cent level. Both, don't get me wrong, both scenarios that I've just shown you, they point to the downside. In the most imminent scenario here, we should not move above 49.2 cents anymore. In the second scenario, we probably will move above 49.2 cents, but we will stay below, we should stay below, just thinking, where should we move up? Okay, yeah, we should stay below that level here at 55.9 cents. Yeah. Just thinking. Yeah, let's keep that for now. Yeah. Another possibility is that the wave E ended here, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That might be more realistic. So again, I'll keep this on chart. I don't want to confuse you now. I'll have a look in it in more detail. But what we don't want to do, we don't want to move in this scenario above 49.2 cents anymore. If you see that, it's more likely that the other scenario is unfolding, and it might mean that it started only here, that impulse, so that we have something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think that would work better with your fib extensions for that wave 3. But again, I don't want to confuse you too much. We'll keep with that scenario, but don't be surprised if I move it slightly in the next video. It wouldn't change massively. It would just mean that we have to probably expect a little bit more of an upside here in the next retracement to the upside. In both scenarios, very soon, I think we have seen here the low, and we are going to see a retracement before we have another sell-off. That's currently how it's looking like. And at the moment, cryptos are coming down quite impulsively generally. So I think we are here already in some kind of an impulse to the downside. That retracement that we saw yesterday to the upside, that was much stronger for some coins than for others. For ADA, it wasn't that strong. For Bitcoin, it was fairly strong, yeah. And for ADA, it wasn't too strong, actually. Yeah, looking good at the moment for my primary expectations. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. I might update you later today with a second video because there's a lot happening at the moment. Let me know in the comments if you want to see that. And again, I did that yesterday and it was very well received. Reason for that is because we had quite interesting moves yesterday on the price charts. So yeah, hopefully you like the update. Again, if you really like the content, check out the channel membership. And yeah, hope to see you in the next video and have a great day. See you. Bye-bye.